How you doing, everybody? I've been wanting to do this for a while, and this is drill some holes in the burn barrel and get some things burned up that I've been wanting to burn up. You guys have seen the pile, and today seemed like just as good of a day as any to do it. So here I'm just doing holes throughout the burn barrel, like 4 or 5 up and down, and then I'm going around. Probably I put like 6 holes, maybe 4 in each side, you know, and then that just gives it more airflow. And then you'll see here in a second I tip it over and I start drilling some in the bottom. And really all this does is help with the airflow, but also if it ever rains, it'll help drain. So now we're at this point, you know, my next favorite thing, pour a little diesel hull on it. I like to use diesel instead of gas. Diesel's a lot less flammable, and I just feel like you can control it better and not have to worry about blowing your face off. Yeah, buddy, there she goes. Just the way I like it. Nice and hot. This is an old chicken coop that we had, and it just is so old, and I just tore it down, and now I'm just gonna drag it over and set it ablaze. Check out the over ambulance chilling back there. It's like, where are we going? Where are we going? Pop, 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 pop. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, look how strong I am. I broke it with no effort. Not gonna lie, this is kind of embarrassing to watch, to see how slow I'm moving, knowing that I'm in pain and stuff, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. I hate being still. I know there's people watching this right now going, you freaking idiot, you know you shouldn't be doing that with your back. And you're right. But I'm just going to be honest, I'm taking so many breaks. You'll see in a minute that I start cutting away from the camera and just start taking it easy and watching stuff burn. And trust me when I tell you that this is not very heavy. It's mostly chicken wire, so there's that. But let's pour some gasoline on it. I'm just kidding, it's diesel. Day 1 of the new year. Got a little roast going. Got a little bit more wood. Some of that wood's good, so I'll keep it. It's gonna be hard to get that stuff out of there, if you can see. I can zoom in for you. So that's a pain in the butt when it has all the tumbleweeds mixed in there. It's kind of why I just went ahead and burned that. The wood wasn't that great. If it was worth salvaging, I would have taken it apart, but my back ablation's done yesterday. Pretty much slept all day yesterday. It's just the medication they give me. You can do it without it. I don't do that anymore. I've had so many, I got tired of it.
So yeah, stayed up till 7 this morning because of I slept all day and got up at 10. That's what I decided to do. Kind of fun, actually. I actually dig it. Drilled some holes in there, as you guys probably saw in the little drone footage I was doing. It's funny what I use for my drone footage on stuff like that is just this little, I don't know if you guys have seen them, the little hovers. They work great for stuff like that. And I guess you can do sound now too, but I don't know how you could hear anything over the high-pitched drone sound. But yeah, I got my work cut out for me. It's all right though. It's fun. I love burning shit. Oops, burning stuff. Whoa, get back, son. Yeah, so it's been cool. It's coming down to the end of the day. I wanted you guys to see all the amazing sunsets we get here. I think getting to be too little amount of light and it's losing me. Hopefully you guys can see the sunset though. Normally this time of year, we got plenty of snow, but doesn't seem to be here to this year. Hope you guys had a good first of the year. Like I said, I had my ablations yesterday, and I'm a little sore. So I'm just doing what I can when I can. That's all we can ask, right? Hope you guys have a good second day of the year. We'll talk to you. Well, everyone, that's about a wrap for us today.
I'm just kind of playing around with the drone right now, seeing what it can do. Oh, there's the overland ambulance. It's pretty funny right here. It kind of gets tripped out because it might even graze this right there. I think it hit. I hope you have a good night and an amazing new year, everyone. Thank you so much for your support.